This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Saputo. Spectacular neighborhood. Marvelous view. Completely updated. What more could you want? Open floor plan with extended bonus room makes a perfect spot to relax, read, whatever you wish. Updates include beautiful wood look tile everywhere except kitchen, ceramic tile in kitchen and entry, granite counters in kitchen and baths, tile backsplash, stainless steel sinks and appliances, crown molding in living room, dining room and den. 2-car garage with storage cabinets. Everything needed for comfort and functionality. You will delight in the lovely lake and golf course view from the screen lanai. It is the perfect place to while away the day, enjoy morning coffee, or evening cocktails. Pelican Point is a gated resort-style community, so well located near beaches, historic downtown Venice, shopping and more. Beautiful clubhouse with restaurant and grill, heated community pool, tennis courts, fitness center, social room library, and 27 holes of golf. Golf membership not mandatory. Very social community. See it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Saputo at 941-493-3359.